In this video, I'm going to show you how to add texture in Krita. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to have something you want to add texture on. So for example, I just painted like a random piece over here, and we're going to add some texture onto this. Now, you first have to decide what texture you want. So I just decided I want like a brick texture. So I went and actually found an image of some bricks, and now I basically got it onto my computer, and now I'm going to go to layer up top, import/export, and click on import layer. Then in here you want to find your bricks or your texture that you want to use. I'm just going to use this one, click on it and click on open, and that's going to open it like this as basically a separate layer. Okay, so as you can see this, it's going to give you the option to move it around with a move tool like that, and you can also resize it if you click on this button and basically resize it. Okay, so what you should do over here is the following: position it over whatever you'd like to give the texture to. So I'm going to position it over this over here, which is just like a random painting, a drawing. And then what you want to do is click on the layer with the texture, and then hold down your control key on your keyboard, and then click on the original layer as well. Now when you do this, both of these will be selected. Right click on any of them, and then you'll basically have to group this. So you want to click on the group over here and just do a quick group over here. Now this is inside a group, and all you have to do is basically enable alpha over here on this one, so on the bricks or on the texture layer. So when you enable alpha, as you can see here, this is now basically our texture that we put onto our painting. However, we still have to lower the opacity because it's just basically the image. So I can go ahead and click on that brick. I can go and change the opacity like this, and as you can see, the texture has now taken effect on our original over here, which was this image over here. Now you can reposition it by clicking on it and go into this button over here, and it's going to allow you to just reposition it however you want to have it. And that way, this is like a nice little hack to actually add texture onto pretty much anything. Okay, this could be like an image, a drawing, it could be like a sketch, some symbols, whatever. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.